Wheel back, wheel shop Dayton. And if you ever are driving, cut your car off, and that you don't be able to start it, try this. Try wiggling the terminal. As you see how loose that is. So now he should be able to start your car. Go ahead and try it. Yep, go ahead and cut it on. And there you go. Appreciate you all. Don't forget to check out the channel for more shorts and more how-to videos. And the solution to this is obviously change the terminal, or you could try the battery shims. They have the little shims that you put over that, knock it on, and that should be good. Have a blessed day. Peace.